Here's the best way to make 5 to 10K a month as a complete beginner. And all you need is a phone and a laptop. So let's go. And don't worry, this is not going to get saturated. There are billions and billions of people every day buying online. Make sure you like and save this video for later, and let me walk you through this process. This is called affiliate marketing, and let me show you how you can set this up yourself. You're going to go to clickbait.com and get started for free. Once you're logged in, you're going to go ahead and go to Affiliate Marketplace. And here on the right, you can find all these categories or niches. And for this example, we're going to choose health and fitness. Then we're going to choose a product where you can make at least $100 per sale. And if you're a beginner, only promote the products on page 1, because those are the products that are proven to work. So once you select a product, you click the promote button, and that will give you your affiliate link. So when somebody buys that product off of your affiliate link, you get paid. And my personal favorite way of doing this is with high ticket affiliate marketing, where you can make $1,000 or more per sale. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments down below and I'll be happy to answer them.